Industrial transport. Lecture plan. Fields of application of industrial transport and its characteristics. Areas of rational use of various types of industrial transport. Industrial transport (PC), a set of roads, buildings, and transport equipment of industrial enterprises intended for transporting lubricants, raw materials, semi-finished products, finished products, service and production processes. Industrial transport includes types of transport intended for servicing fields, mines, industrial and agricultural enterprises, construction and trade facilities, institutions and organizations within these enterprises. Industrial transport, non-public transport, which is part of the infrastructure of the enterprise due to the implementation of technological processes of production. PC is analyzed by type, purpose, methods, and timing of implementation. By type, PC is classified as road, railway transport, conveyor, and special. According to its purpose, PC is divided into external and internal. According to the methods of implementation, PC is divided into cyclic and intermittent. According to the terms of implementation, the PC is grouped into permanent and seasonal, as well as seasonal and all-season types. The volume of transportation by industrial transport is approximately 4 times higher than the volume of transportation by public transport, but the turnover of goods and of a long-distance nature is several times less than by main transport. In addition to general industrial modes of industrial transport, there are also specialized non-traditional types of cargo which are focused on a specific structure of cargo or special conditions of passenger and cargo transportation. Industrial transport is analyzed by type and purpose, impact, position, and methods of transportation. The concept of industrial transport refers to non-common vehicles that serve industrial, construction, agricultural enterprises, ensuring the proper functioning of production. Industrial vehicles are divided into intra-shop technological vehicles, intra-shop technological transport that ensure the exchange of raw materials or other products between the workshops. External industrial transport that it is in contact with common transport and is the supplier of goods arriving at enterprises and producer of the enterprise products. Technically, industrial transport consists of different types of transport. One, several types of, or a complex of all types: railway, road, sea, river, air, pipeline transport. At the same time, special technological types of vehicles, including conveyors, electric cars, auto cars, are widely used as part of industrial transport. Conveyors, pipelines, as well as electric and auto cars are used in intra-shop transport. Inter-shop transport cars and sometimes railways are used. External transport, railway and road transport are used. Many enterprises on the banks of rivers, seas, and lakes have their own ports, ships, and equipment. Industrial locomotives must float freely on curves with small radius, 40-60 meters. Machines transporting hot goods and working in hot shops are equipped with special heat protection devices. Transport as a unique dynamic system is the first consumer of achievement discoveries of various sciences. There are many areas of research related to transport. Research in mathematics, physics, mechanics, thermodynamics, hydrodynamics, optics, so on was particularly important for the progress of transport development. The results of applied research in the fields of metallurgy, mechanical engineering, electromechanics, construction mechanics, telemechanics, automation, and later electronics and space exploration are also necessary for transport progress. Some discoveries and achievements complement other sciences and are widely used in many non-transport spheres of the national economy. Directions of technological progress and level of development in various modes of transport are selected from the need to fully meet the transportation needs of the state and the population, striving to reduce transportation costs. At the same time, mandatory conditions are to ensure traffic safety, improve passenger comfort, guarantee the safety of cargo, and reduce the cost of manual labor in the transportation process. Slag carriers, wagons transporting dissolved slag with a temperature of 1,400, 1,500 from the blast furnace to the slag dump. The blade bends under the influence of an electric motor attached to the slag carrier. The load capacity of the new slag carrier is 48 tons and the individual weight of the car is 81 tons. Platforms with a strong floor that can withstand high temperature designed for transporting hot cast iron ingots with a total weight of 160 tons. Dump cars, dump trucks, mainly used in the development of open pit mining, coal, etc. The load capacity of the new dump cars will be up to 200 tons. The improvement of automobile industrial transport is a great challenge. The problem here was the open development of fields, increasing the load capacity and technical level of vehicles, as well as the expansion of the car fleet. Large loading dump trucks allowed the use of excavators with large capacity blades in development, which of course reduces losses. Improving road industrial transport requires not only development of the fleet, but also the organization of transportation of large volumes of cargo, taking into account the maximum mechanization of other elements. For example, loading operations. It is planned to launch new mechanized ported enterprise organization using the river and sea transport. One of the main directions is the creation of container and batch transport system for industrial transport using special containers and pallets. For industrial transport, where large masses of cargo are processed, tools for mechanization of loading and unloading operations are of particular importance. However, the main direction in the development of industrial transport is the development of a conveyor type of transport, which includes belt, conveyor, suspended tracks, pipelines for liquid cargo, as well as hydro lines and pneumatic lines for solid cargo. In metallurgical plants, pipelines can be used to transport liquid metal by means of magnetic pumps. Conveyor types of transportation as a result of automation allow increasing labor productivity, reducing transportation costs, reducing the area of the plant, and increasing the efficiency of cargo flows and technological processes. Improving the industrial transport management system is one of the most difficult issues. The centralized system of control of this transport does not exist today. It is difficult to bring industrial transport into a single state from a technical and organizational point of view. The efficiency of the same types of transports in different enterprises and industries is not the same. Thank you for your attention.